Good morning, everyone. Today is November 1st, 2017. I just wanted to come on make a quick video here just because I just wanted to let everyone know where I've been in I don't know I can't even remember the last time I made a video, and just to let you guys know that I might not be making a video for a while just because of I'm starting to focus on my trading itself, and there are just so many things going on right now. I just cannot keep up with time, or the demand for time. With certain life changes. My daughter's growing up, going to school. I'm having to take her to school in the morning, and then just work in general. I'm taking on several other higher position within the company that I work for. I'm actually uh, acting as a lead, a product team lead for two programs within the company, which is a pretty good position to be in. Um, that being focused in that, really that the time that I have to trade is very little, and that's why I haven't been able to make a live trading videos, just because I haven't been able to really sit down and do some intraday trading. A lot of times now I'm just kind of trying to focus myself into swing type position, to where I'd kind of leave my computer on and place a resting order somewhere to enter. My technique hasn't changed. I mean, I'm still a supply demand level kind of a guy, but more in the higher time frame, not the intraday type level. So, anyways, I guess I just wanted to say goodbye for now. I'm not sure when I'm gonna able to make a video again, just because like I said, the time that I have is kind of slim, and also we're kind of looking into moving in December. So here I am packing again. Actually, we're gonna settle into a further side, North Texas. So moving to a house this time. So there's no more moving. This is the last move that we're going to make. Just because my kids are growing, and I need some place to settle, um, rather than living in an apartment. It's just for me. I'm not saying apartment's bad. Actually, our apartment is really good. It's just we needed I think we needed more space, just because my kids are growing, and I certainly wouldn't don't want to raise them in an apartment environment. Like I said, the apartment's good. It's just didn't want that for my kids. So, and I know I can do better. So I'm just doing my best as a parent, I guess. Anyhow, yeah, that's it for me. I apologize. I know there's certain folks um, that are kind of adding themselves to the video, or to subscribing to my channel, and I know I haven't been able to produce a good video or a live trading video. But I do encourage you, though, if you got questions that I could answer, then that probably won't stop, because I think in nature I'm just teaching is kind of in my blood. I don't know how to explain that any better, but so if you have any questions about trading in general, I can certainly answer those questions for you. But I just have been able to create new videos for you. So if you have any questions, just you know drop your questions. Any of the videos that I posted, I can certainly answer it. Certainly not shy to answer those constructive ones. I mean, I know there's going to be trolls and haters out there, but consider this kind of a free education, and and the education that I'm providing is you know based on my experience. So really, it's to save you money, rather than you spending a couple of thousands of dollars trying to find some so-called gurus out there that probably doesn't even trade live. So with my trading, the 11 weeks that that I took off from trading, the 11 weeks. I think I had to take some training for work, and me getting back into actual real trading. I was doing really well with the and I was able to build confidence in it, and and then as I tell myself, okay, well, now it's time for the real money, right? And as I traded real money, suddenly my trading rules, my trading skills just went out the window. I don't know the best way to explain that, but if you've been trading for a while, I think you'd understand what I'm talking about here. So that's kind of, I mean, mainly the struggle for me. That's why at some point, I have to commit some capital in it, just because that's the portion that you're going to be fighting with. I mean, you get comfortable with one thing, which is the simulated account, and then then your psychology, the part of your psychology that is not really triggered in the sim account, will trigger when you're starting playing with your real money. So that's the struggle that I had going back into trading. So yeah, I did lose some money. I mean, I'm gonna be, like I said, I got nothing to tell you, so I'm just I'm just sharing my experience so that way you can learn from it. um, there is a difference when you start trading your own cash. If you're not in one of those combines, cash versus sim, because the cash, there's certain part of your psychology that would kick in, and the importance of sim trading is to really hone your skill, get you acclimated and get you comfortable enough, so that way you have a chance into trading a real account. So and there is a process for you know going into sim to cash, right? And those are the kind of things that I've just I learned along the way, and what to do, I guess. Anyhow, yeah, I was doing some simulate, or not simulate, but real money now, and I'm trying to hold on to it longer, meaning in the several days, like today, this one, I completely missed this one today. I was not sure. I didn't know how to play this one, but I had a level marked at 55.25, because this right here is a level of um, let's see. Let me try to clean up this chart here. I had a level written down to go short at 55.25, because you have this huge drop, and then came back up, and now you see it's starting to come up to that level again. So in theory, people are going to remember this, and they're gonna start finding a way to short this market right here. So that's one odd in your favor, right? The other odds is that this thing has been running green for the past, this would be the fourth week, and it's been green. So by Friday, people are going to sell this. And so today being a Wednesday, it's probably not a good idea to just because you have the report in front of you. So more likely it'll start testing these highs right here before it even comes back down. So just because of this rally up, I wasn't sure how to take the trade, but normally, if it was a fresh level, then I would have taken it. But yeah, 55.25 was the level that I mark, and today's high so far is, I think it's 23 or 20, 22. 22 is the high. So even if I had put that um, trade on overnight, my levels would have never been hit, just because right now the high is 22. But the concept behind it is that if say this, I had entered at 20, this thing ran 40 ticks, so you can make money doing that, right? So anyhow, so small risk, very small risk, for a large reward. So anyhow, well, that's it for me. Like I said, I had just haven't able to trade, and that's why I'm not making the videos that I used to make. And I didn't want you to think that I'll just ignore your questions as well. So if you have questions, just feel free to drop them. But for now, this is all the videos that I'm going to make. So you guys take care. Good luck on your trading. Um, and if you ever have any questions, just you know where to find me. Take care.